Hi guys, how are we doing? Today I am going to be trying a stew that I've wanted to make for a very, very long time. I've never had all the ingredients together and today is no exception. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link to the original recipe down below, but I'm going to show you how to modify that if you don't actually have all the ingredients it says. Okay? So we're going to make African butternut squash, lentil and peanut stew, but we're going to do it modifying the ingredients to what we have in the cupboard and not what we don't. Okay, so what we have to start with is we have our recipe. It's on the phone. And she's so far just put one onion. I've got two. I like a lot of onion. What can I say? Tablespoon of olive oil. Yep, I've got some of that. I actually bought some garlic. I have got some. I have to run around the fridge and see if I've got some. But we'll see how we go. If I can't find it, I'm not going to be that worried about it because Tanny's in the house. I don't want to kill him. 4 tomatoes chopped. Don't have tomatoes. What I do have is cherry tomatoes. I could use those. I could use a whole bag of those or a punnet of those or whatever. But you know what? They're supposed to be chopped. So I'm using that. Right. 1 red pepper. Got it. Red lentils. I don't got any. I don't got any because I don't like them. I ain't got any because I don't like them unless they're in dal, and I don't like them unless the dal is made and I don't have to worry about it. But I do have some pui lentils, so I'm going to give that a crack instead. Yes, it may take a little bit longer for them to cook, but who cares? You're not serving the queen, okay? Right, butternut squash. Yep, we got one of those. We have the last one that we grew last year. That's what we have. This is our last one from last year. We're not growing butternuts this year. It's kind of nice having this one. So I wanted to do something special with it. I'm going to use about half of it for this recipe. 3 cups of water and half a pint of bouillon stock, vegetable stock. Now I went on and I read the recipe, and to be honest, I don't see the point in having both water and stock. There is no point. You are literally putting in the water, boiling down the stuff, adding the stock. Put it all in together. Save yourself a step. So what I did was I made a pint of bouillon stock instead, out of the powdered shit from the supermarket, because it's what I've got. Okay, teaspoon chili flakes. Don't got any of those. Strange. I thought I did. Apparently I don't. But what I do have is some chilies that I dried last year. I'm going to use half of one of those in this recipe. I might just chuck it in whole and not chop it, and then I can pull it out. Mushrooms. Got some of those. We found them reduced in the supermarket, so our fridge is half filled with mushrooms. I'm using these ones. It says cup. I'll probably use 2 cups because it's from Rebel Recipes. Clues in the name. Right, pink Himalayan salt. Yeah, I think I've got some. I might have. Yes, it's sitting on my desk. I'll have to go and get it. Right, yep. Black pepper, got some of that. 2 cups of greens, your choice. Kale, spinach, cabbage. Well, you know what? I haven't got any of that. The chard is running to seed. Hasn't even come up really well. Spinach went to seed months ago. Got no kale because the slugs ate my Tuscany kale. It wouldn't be ready to harvest now anyway. But what I do have, I have some frozen spinach, and I'm going to use some of that. In fact, I've even got some frozen nasturtium leaves from last year, and because they've got that nice little mustardy flavour, I might just add them in this, and it will add to the chilli and it'll be nice and give it a nice little rounded flavour. I wondered what I was going to do with that. Yep, handful of coriander. Well, I would, but I don't have any because they didn't have any in the shops. All the coriander is gone if it's in green form. If it's in brown form, you can have as much as you like. But if it's in green form, it's not there. But what I do have is black leaf parsley. Now, if you're one of these people who is not very good at eating coriander anyway, swap it out for this stuff. Looks the same, and you'll enjoy it better. Right, crushed peanuts. Don't got any peanuts. Who knew? But what I do have is some broken cashews, and they really need using. I need to get them used, so we're going to use those instead. Last thing is juice of half a lime. Well, isn't that lucky I bought one? I've got one of those. Yeah, so I'm going to use that. Right, let's get stuck in. Okay, our veg are chopped. I'm going to get over to the stove. Okay, so we're going to start off with sauteing off the onions. Just hope nothing everything goes in. So you put a little bit of olive oil in there. We've just whacked the onion in. Give that a bit of a saute off for a bit. Turn that down a bit, I think. Don't want it too high because we want it to saute. We want it to actually soften, not go brown. Well, soften and you know what I mean. You don't want it to go burnt. This is barbecue, you know. Right, so that's first. And what? I'm getting our little foamy out. Okay. Oh. Get this all sorted. Now at this point, this is where we add our garlic in. You do not want to add it any time before now. When it started to soften, then you can add in your garlic. If you add it in before then, you're going to get burnt garlic. You don't want that. Trust me. Ew. Just no. Break up some of this. Nice. Now, we need to add in the tomatoes. Might have helped if I'd actually done something about opening those. Just watch the onion for me, okay? Make sure it doesn't burn or anything. That'd be great. Okay, tomatoes in. Marvellous. Right, tomatoes are in. La la la. Sorted. Now what's next? Okay. Now. Just trying to read the thingy. There's the thing about the lentils. Where are they? 1 cup. Right, okay. Right, that's what we need. Our cup measure. This is where we're going to add in our lentils. Yay! And our stock. In it goes. Right. I'm going to bring that up to the boil. What else do we need to add? Oh, and the pepper and the squash. Right, okay. Apparently not the mushrooms yet. That's okay. Alright, so we're going to add in our butternut, pumpkin, squash, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. They're all part of the same family. Let's not get snippy about it. Right, and capsicum, or red pepper. Ooh, mushroom, yum. Right. Okay, that's all in there. That has to bubble now. How long? Bring to the boil before reducing to a simmer. Let's wipe that back up then. Ooh. Okay. Doesn't say for how long though, but that's okay. We'll just keep, it's got to go up to a boil and then we got to take it down to a simmer. Then we have to add our other veg and the peanut butter. We can do this. We've got the technology for this. We know what we're doing, right? Okay, be back when it's boiling. Okay, so apparently at this point, because it has come to the boil, I just stirred it. I need to pop in the veg, stick in there, and it says to leave the greens until the end, but I would imagine that's if they're fresh. I have frozen, so I'm just going to chuck them in as these right now, because they're going to take a while to actually defrost, yeah? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to chuck all those in all at once. Now the other thing we have to add right now is the peanut butter. So we're going to get that. I have a feeling Bam's been here. It says 3 tablespoons. This here is a dessert spoon, not a tablespoon. So, I made sure there was extra. Yum. Oh God. Stop it. I'm going to mix all this in. I might add a little bit more water to that actually. Pui lentils tend to take up a lot more water, so we're gonna chuck a bit more in. There we go. Done. Now apparently all we have to do now is leave this for 20 minutes to do its thing, which is probably how long it takes the lentils to cook. Amazing, but see, look, we need to get that peanut butter mixed in, otherwise it's just going to be a chunk and someone's going to get a mouthful, me, and go, yeah, that's not supposed to be there like that. Right, okay, I think it's all mixed in. There we go. Right, okay. We're going to get a lid on that and let it do its thing for the next 20 minutes. Say bye-bye to everyone, stew. Okay, so we have now been bubbling away for a good 20 minutes. Oh, look at this. Look at it. That is amazing. That looks so good. Really quite excited to try this. I didn't end up putting the chili in. I forgot. But it doesn't matter either. To me it doesn't matter. So I've got all our nasturtium leaves. Have all gone in there like that. I think we need to serve this baby up. Yeah, we do. Okie dokie. So I'm going to turn that off. And I'm going to get my ladle. Oh my gosh. This is so yum. Wow. This looks incredible. incredible. Smells amazing. One more. Look at that. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Now, we're also, right now, going to grab a few of our peanuts, well, cashews. I'm going to sprinkle those on the top. Screw it, I really like cashews. We're going to sprinkle some more of those bad boys on top. And then, this is all the coriander was meant for, guys, so feel free, parsley away. There we go. Oh my god. Oof. Okay. Taste test. Okay. So, I know I look wreck. I just do. I know. It's fine. You know, we don't all look beautiful and have makeup artists, you know. Right, but I am going to get some of this. I'm so excited about this. A little scared. It's going to be molten lava-y. Hey. Oh. It's really good. Yum. Oh wait, you don't want to sit here and watch me eat it. Get off your butts and in your kitchen and make your own. If you want any more recipes like this, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and tell your friends. I will see you guys later. Have a really, really good day. Blessings.